Happy morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine and enjoying the online class from your home. Welcome back to Mahila Samaja Digital Classes. Class 4th Standard Subject EVS Topic Incredible India Agriculture. Dear students, in today's class, let us know about agriculture. What is agriculture? Agriculture refers to all activities concerned with cultivating land, growing crops, and raising livestock for food, other human needs, and for economic gain. Mahatma Gandhi ji, known as father of our nation, his famous lines, India lives in its villages, says a lot about our country. Around third-fourth of our population that lives in villages depends on agriculture for its livelihood. Farmers are known as backbone of our country. Farmers work very hard throughout the year. Do you ever thank them or even think of the farmers when you eat food? When so many people work so hard to grow food for you. Is it right to be busy about food? Our economic progress depends a lot on how strong our agriculture sector is. Agriculture is science or practice of farming which involves preparing and maintaining soil for growing useful plants or crops. A crop can be defined as any cultivated plant that is harvested for the purpose of consumption. Do you know? Children, tell me any two harvest festivals of India. Bihu, Pongal and Vaisakhi are the harvest festivals of India. Agriculture also includes rearing of animals for production of edible animal products. Food, livestock, clothing, medicines and biofuel. Dairy products, meat, wool. Types of crops. Food crops and cash crops. Food crops that are grown to be eaten by both humans and animals. Cash crops that are grown to be sold in the market from which the farmers earn a profit. Cereals, pulses, millets and oil seeds are food crops. Food crops from the overall diet of a nation. Cash crops are grown for their commercial value. Sugarcane, cotton, jute are cash crops. Crops are also categorized on the basis of sowing and harvesting seasons. There are two main cropping seasons in India. Coffee crops. Coffee crops are sown just before the monsoon sets in and are harvested in winter. Coffee crops means monsoon crops are planted in the monsoon season and harvested during the retreating monsoons. Rabi crops are sown after the monsoon gets over and just before winter sets in. These are harvested during spring season. Rabi crop means winter crops are planted in winter and harvested in spring season. Wheat, potato, mustard are Rabi crops. Rabi is the Arabic word for spring season. Gram and green peas is also Rabi crops. Rice. Rice is the major food crop of India. It needs hot and humid climate and plenty of water, means abundant rainfall. river basin and deltas are best for growing rice. States like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Telangana major producer of rice. Good irrigation methods have resulted in improved rice production like canal irrigation, tube well irrigation. Wheat. Wheat is the second most important crop after rice. This crop is the staple food of northwest India. Wheat needs bright sunlight at the time of reaping and harvest. Millets are coarse or seeded grains. It needs warm and dry climate. Millets are largely consumed as a major food crop. It is also considered as bird food. States like Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh produce of millets. Jowar is also one of the millets. States like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh produce jowar. Jowar is also one of the millets. Next, ragi. Major produce of millets. States like Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu produce of millets. Cash crops. Cash crops that are going to be sold in the market from which the farmers earn a profit. Sugarcane is one of the major cash crop of India. It is the main raw material for production of sugar. This crop is mainly sown between February and March. States like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab and Maharashtra produce sugar well. Jute. Jute is one of the cash crop. Jute is mostly grown in the eastern coastal areas of India, especially the Ganga deltas. Jute need hot and humid climate. Cotton. Major cotton of producers of cotton. States like Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh grow well cotton. Cotton need warm and dry climate. Grows best in black soil. Some varieties grown in alluvial soil too. Tea is the most widely consumed beverage in the world. Tea is known as plantation crops. What is plantation crops? Large farms that grow a single crop only is known as plantation crops. States like Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Sikkim grow well. Coffee is one of the popular drinks in the world. Indian coffee is well known for its flavor and aroma in the global coffee market. States like Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu go well. After the famine in 1965, the Government of India introduced the Green Revolution program under the supervision of great scientists and workers. The purpose was to make India self-dependent in food production. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan and Professor Norman worked towards adopting new methods to improve agricultural yields. Improvement in agriculture like modern ways of irrigation, high-yielding varieties, use of other machineries, use of tractors. You know children, Dr. Swaminathan is known as the father of Green Revolution in India. The central government and the state government have been doing many things to help the farmers increase agriculture production. ever seen India become independent. Like Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana was launched by the National Development Council in 2007 to boost agriculture production. This program is also called the National Agriculture Development Program (NADP). And National Horticulture Mission was started in the year 2005 to 6 to help promote horticulture sector. Horticulture is the practice of garden cultivation and management. On my fingertips. Agriculture refers to all activities concerned with cultivating land, growing crops, and raising livestock for food, other human needs, and for economic gain. India is a primary and agricultural country. Farming is one of the largest sector of employment in India. There are two main cropping seasons in India, Rabi crop and Kharif crop. Rabi crops are grown soon after the monsoon gets over and harvested in spring season. Kharif crops are sown just before the monsoon sets in and harvested in winter. Food crops are grown to be eaten by both humans and animals. Cash crops are grown exclusively to be sold in the market, from which the farmers earn a profit. Large farms that grow only a single crop are called plantation crop, like coffee, tea. Farmers work very hard throughout the year. Hope you understood the lesson. Thank you everyone for watching.